Hi everybody, aquí tengo arroz blanco con pollo guisado. Tengo 20, quería hacer 20 platos, pero me salieron 12. I wanted to make 20 plates of food for the homeless. I only had enough for 12, what I made. So I'm about to go white rice and stewed chicken. So I'm about to load it in my car and go out there and give it away. So that's what I did today. So the pot's finished. There's no more. I don't know what to do with this gravy. I don't want to drench the rice. Pero no quiero echarle eso porque se llena de cardo. So esta es la comida. Voy a salir ahora a entregarla. So I'm gonna go let me put everything in a little box y salir de aquí y lo que quiera el universo. Okay, I put the food in 2 bags y agua. Give them some water.